Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. I just need to like go around. I need to tidy stuff like the pillows. There's just random stuff everywhere. We've got laundry to fold, you know, the usual. So I've got to clean the glass. I need to clean the back slider. I need to wipe down my bathroom. I got new, Kevin got me yesterday at BJ's, new bowls, like Pyrex bowls. So because all of mine, they're so old that the lids are all ripping. So I need to take that out. I need to wash everything. I have to empty the dishwasher. I have to wash the appliances. I need to vacuum. I do not need to mop because I just mopped like a couple days ago. So I need to clean out the sink, you know, like I said, all the fun stuff. I have some clothes on my bed that need to get hung up. I've got like presents here. Leighton has a birthday party. I've got Mother's Day gifts and cards and stuff over there, which I won't do anything with those because Mother's Day is coming up. You guys will see this right before Mother's Day. So all of you moms out there, stepmoms, grandmas, aunts, friends, people that, anyone that considers themselves a mom, pet mom, all the moms, happy Mother's Day. So what is our plan? I'm actually off this weekend from the bank, so that's exciting. I'm off all weekend. So we're going somewhere on Saturday. I'm not exactly sure where. Kevin just told me to be ready. Nothing like major, but we're going somewhere, and then we're going to lunch, and then Leighton has her best friend's birthday party, and then my parents and my sister are coming over for dinner, and we're getting Chinese, and it's gonna be so fun, super simple. What else has been going on? Austin got his first communion, so cute. And Brennan has his confirmation coming up too, so it's like all the religious stuff this time of year. That's when all that stuff is happening. So, and then that's what we got going on. So I'm going to get started. The kids get off the bus in like 10 minutes, so I figured I'd start by emptying the dishwasher and getting all of this stuff in the, getting that stuff in the dishwasher. And I've got like some dishes from that I brought to work this morning because I ran the dishwasher while I was at work. So I already did my workout for the day, so that's done. Oh, you know what else needs to get done? Random thing, but Kevin went to BJ's yesterday, so I have to like unbox a lot of this stuff, and I feel like it needs like a little vacuuming. There's like crumbs and stuff in there, so that is also on the plan. And maybe I'll show you dinner. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But if you guys are new here, I do lots of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle videos. Like right now, I'm currently doing Weight Watchers. I've never done like an actual like program before to ever lose weight. I've always like, I don't know, I feel like in the last 5 years, I've like fluctuated and needed to lose probably 10 pounds here, lost a few, did nothing like major. So, but now I'm to the point where I feel like I need to lose 20 pounds. So that is what I am working on now. So I've been sharing Weight Watchers, like what I eat in the days, grocery hauls, meal prep, and all that fun stuff. So if you're interested in that, I have plenty of videos on that and a ton more coming. So make sure you are subscribed, and let's get started.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to
whoopsies. At least it wasn't one of my new dishes. So I'm gonna take a quick break because the kids are getting home and off the bus any second, and then I will resume cleaning.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty.
All right, so kids are home. I am actually going to cook dinner now. It is only 3:30, and I don't know if I'll eat before we leave or I'll bring it with me. I'm not sure, but at least I'll have it cooked and I can just heat it up when I get home. I'm just gonna make chicken, a bag of frozen broccoli, and some potatoes, and the kids will have like chicken nuggets or something quick when they get home. Austin's at a friend's house. Lane's outside jump roping. I'm kind of out of breath because I was just outside jump roping with her. I'm not very good anymore, but we had fun. So I came in, I'm gonna start that. While that is going, I am going to fold the laundry. So these are the potatoes that I am making. They are so good. These are from Target. And then I just have some chicken in the fridge that I am going to, that I defrosted yesterday. And then I'm gonna cut that all up and just saute it on the stove. And then I will make, a bag of frozen broccoli. Quick, easy dinner. So that is what we are having tonight. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. All right, so that is my meal prep. I've got the potatoes, chicken, big cup of broccoli in there. So that is what I will have tonight. And I'm actually going to make a protein shake to tide me over because I am a little hungry. But that is it for this video. I got everything I needed to do done. The only thing I didn't do was I was gonna tidy up my bathroom. I cleaned the showers and stuff the other day and like deep cleaned it and all that. I was gonna wipe it down, but I have to shower and like, you know, do like the washing of the hair and the whole thing tonight. So I figured I will just do that when I take my shower tonight. It's the only thing I didn't get to. We got the laundry done, the dishes done, cleaned the windows, did the appliances, we cooked dinner. We got everything that we wanted to do done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, like I said before, make sure you do. And I have tons of like cleaning, organizing, and all of that because it is the spring and that's the time to deep clean and organize literally everything. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.